Back when the world was still open, a time before COVID, we had an adventure, a little different from the usual. We're used to the ocean and surfing. We're used to the bush and climbing mountains. But this season, we're trying something new. We're going to a city, a big city. Today, we continue exploring the city with a visit to the Manmo Temple, Victoria's Peak, and the Hong Kong Ferris Wheel. We also enjoy the evening light show on a junk boat.
I think we made it, the Manmo Temple.
We typically really enjoy visiting temples. They're really neat to walk through and just take in everything that's going on. They're always so beautiful. This one was also free to walk through. We found it was quite smoky. There was lots of incense burning. It was really neat watching the people perform their rituals. We weren't sure what they were doing, but it would be neat to learn someday what they were doing and why they were doing it.
Super smoky in there, kind of hurt my eyes.
For our next stop, the plan was to take the tram up to Victoria's Peak. When we got there, it was so crowded.
Made it through with the octopus card. Didn't really save us much time for line-wise, but looks like the tram's up there in front of all those people. Think it's worth it?
We'll find out.
Mommy, pick me up.
Here it comes.
I only got the 2.2.
What color is the train?
Oh, red.
Where are we going?
I can't go on the mountain.
Up the mountain. Here we go.
Daddy, this place is moving.
We were really happy to get on the tram. The wait was really long and not easy with the kids, but they seemed to really enjoy the ride. We're hoping that we may get a bit of a view of the city from up there. We're not so sure because the weather hasn't been the greatest. Once you're off, it's like a Disney ride. They take you through gift shops. You get off the tram, and they walk you through gift shops.
It's cold and breezy. I looked up on my phone, somebody said the Lions Pavilion is the best free view of the city.
How far are we going?
I don't know, 1 minute walk. So let's see if we can survive a windy, cold 1 minute walk to a view of clouds.
But we're almost there. We gotta keep going.
I didn't think we'd be able to see anything.
There it is.
We made it.
We're at Victoria Peak. It's cold and chilly and cloudy, but we'll take what we can get. I really didn't think we'd be able to see anything due to the weather, but I was pleasantly surprised that we could still see a little bit.
Honey,
Yes.
I got something this for
Did
you.
you crash your drone?
It was wet and windy.
Are you serious? Did you?
But now, we don't have to carry it
Are
around.
you serious?
Now we can get to these smaller ones.
Honey? Are you serious?
No, it was a successful flight. A little blurry, but we got footage.
Well, we rode the escalators up and down and up and down.
It's kind of sketchy because of all the wet and the wind. And I didn't get GPS until I was out there, so I didn't know where to go back to. And I followed the tram up. Not the actual tram, but the track. This was one of my most stressful drone flights, but the footage was definitely not worth it.
Built this thing from the ground up out of nothing. No flight plan, no manual to be found. You and I, we're driving in the dark without headlights, trying to find our way.
Eventually, we headed back down on the tram. We didn't spend too much time up there. It was a bit crowded and cold. Thankfully, the line didn't take as long to get down. After we got down from Victoria's Peak, we decided to go check out the Hong Kong Ferris Wheel.
Where are we?
I'll be here with you.
It was quite crowded and the lines were long. We were a little nervous it would take too long and we wouldn't be able to make it back to our Airbnb before our boat ride. Thankfully, the line seemed to move quickly. We were happy about that because the kids were getting a little crazy.
We finally made it through the line. It was really quick. Not bad. It just kept moving. Here we go.
Mommy, what button do we push if we go upside down?
Oh, the red and white one.
But it'll be on the floor. Okay? Because we'll be upside down.
So I need to, this thing will be upside down, but we won't. We'll be just dancing on there.
How do we get in there?
Meow.
Chris told the kids we were gonna go upside down. I think they were a little bit disappointed and relieved when they realized that we would be staying upright.
Telling where we'll be in the coming days. I'll be there with you. Start telling where we'll be the coming days. I'll be there with you. Start telling where we'll be the coming days, but I'll be there with you. It's hard telling where we'll be the coming days, but I'll
So there's a green and white ferry boat, and then there's a junk boat.
be here with you.
And also, don't rock the gondola.
Don't throw phones out of the gondola. Oh, look at that, guys.
Oh, you're right, honey.
Oh, man!
I thought there was no way we'd go around more than one.
Yeah.
That's kind of cool, guys. We're gonna ride the ferry back over to Kowloon. You can either take the subway between the two islands, or you can take a ferry. We took the subway to Hong Kong Island, so now we're gonna take the ferry back to Kowloon. Ferry time.
What's kind of cool when you're traveling with kids, transportation is often a good form of entertainment. Riding boats, trains, and buses can be a lot of fun for them.
Hang on, Henry. Hang on, Henry. It's rocky, buddy.
The water was a bit rough, so the boat ride was super tippy.
It's a bit rainy today.
Flawless. We made it right on schedule.
Nice.
You have it right.
I think that was our first flawless location finding in Hong Kong.
What happened?
Okay, so 36, 91, 68.
Oh.
Telling everybody the code. I don't know why we're always cutting it so close. Guys, look at the city all lit up.
excited our friends were joining us for the junk boat ride. They ran into a bit of trouble, so they were running late. We talked to the people in charge and had them hold the boat until they could arrive.
You guys, look at this!
We were really happy to see them. Watching the evening light show on the boat was perfect. It was neat seeing lights on both sides of the city. Plus, all the boats were lit up too. They even gave us some soda pop to sip on. It's been a full but great day. Ending it with a boat ride with friends was a great way to bring Hallie's birthday and our day to a close. Tomorrow is our last day and we're looking forward to what it may bring. Join us next time as we reach our season finale. We have one final day left and we squeeze in as much as possible before it's time to board our flight. Special shout out to Chasing Adeline. Thank you for commenting. Thank you everyone for watching. Subscribe so we can see you next time.